Looking to better manage risk in your maintenance operation? Eliminate unplanned equipment failures. Increase overall predictability, productivity, and safety. Introducing Trakka Predictive Analytics from Dingo, the global leader in predictive maintenance. Trakka Predictive Analytics is a set of sophisticated algorithms and statistical models that provide anomaly detection and failure prediction for asset-intensive industries. Utilizing proprietary machine learning models, our advanced analytics solution predicts impending equipment failures with confidence, allowing you to proactively perform corrective maintenance actions to minimize downtime and optimize asset life. Trakka's machine learning models are developed by Dingo's team of data scientists using failure data from actual equipment, which is then validated by maintenance experts. Dingo's algorithms work with your existing condition monitoring data and boast greater than 85% accuracy. The future of maintenance is here. To learn more about our predictive analytics offerings or to schedule a demo, contact us at info@dingo.com or visit www.dingo.com today.